Okay, let's talk about LKCO and the comment that I got a lot from you guys from the last video. So I'm gonna clarify what you gonna do in this kind of situation when the price hold really strong our support at $1.11 as we did in this previous video. Hopefully you saw it and you never panic, because I told you we gonna hold this level. We never gonna test it unless we have a closing candle below the $1.11, and that's what we didn't. We dive but until $1.13 exactly, guys, below before our support level. So now the price where will go, what we should expect, all the things we have to do in order to be ready for Monday. So this is really important, guys, to have like to prepare yourself before Monday. So let's go to the video and see what's happening, and plus the like button so and hit notification so you never miss any of my future update like this one. So if we go here, guys, when we did the video when we got this jump down, I told you the important level that we should hold around the $1.11, and that's what we did. And after our video, look what happened. Let's see. The price jumped exactly above our support level around the $1.11, but we did a bounce from $1.13. This is a perfect bounce from an exponential average. And if we look in a smaller picture, we see that the price hold above the $1.20. So from what I see and from the things I could look from the chart and the things I can take from the chart, first of all, the volume has been dropping in a big picture, but we're not still below the negative. And if we go in the smaller picture, because it's really faster, we see that our exponential average, our volume indicator is turning to the positive and trying to change the momentum of downtrend right now. So what we should expect by Monday, and this is way important for us, the other support, technically not the strongest like the $1.11, but it's kind of set incentive for the market by Monday. If we just hold this level again, this is really important now. This is more like a certain incentive to take the market higher faster to test the $1.29, because this time we got rejected around the $1.26. So by Monday we don't want to see a gap below here. If we open the market and we see the market gapped until $1.13, this is not good, guys. We need to hold above the $1.20, bounce from here in order to test the $1.30, and here we're gonna see might a rejection again. So be careful unless we have a big buying pressure and we see a gap even before, because LKCO, you know, is like really volatile. We got a lot of time at the gap before the market, then we get a crash, then gap, and so it's a bit tricky. It's more triggered by the news, triggered by like catalyst. This is LKCO. So every stock have its behavior. So we have to adjust our strategy around the stock, not around ourselves. Because the stock doesn't care about us, the money market doesn't care about emotion or what we want. So what we want to do, the winner strategy, always the insiders do, they adjust or they see each commodity or stock and they see which will trigger the price up or down and the behavior, because every stock is different. Even the chart looks similar, but there's some things come to play, change its behavior. So we have to be adjustable. So as I told you, and for LKCO have prone to have a more gap than the other stocks and have a big sell-off and big turned around. So what we could expect to know at least what the market is heading, if we saw a gap down, this is will if we see a gap down even below here, we go below to $1.14. This is a big incentive that the market will go even lower, guys. This is will be easier because we're gonna test again the $1.11. We're gonna break it because we almost tested it twice, so the third time will be the most important one, and we might break it and we go lower. So this is the most important thing. If we hold above the $1.20 will be really good. Even if we open in the market at Monday above this level, this is you give us more chance they're gonna test the $1.30, and maybe if we have even a gap above the $1.30, will be really good in order to see the $1.63 again and test this level again. This is really important level. That's why we got rejected a lot here. So what we want to see at Monday, if the price even gapped, it would be perfect, but we need a test again for this level in order to go higher. We don't want to see a gap and the price just shoot up like this and open here. Wait a second, we don't want to see the price come above here, you see, and come over up like this without testing our resistance. This is a big no-no, guys. I will never get in this, any trade like this, because the moment you get at $1.40, there's a big chance there will be sell-off like this one, and we go to test again the $1.30. When we have the test, I will get in, but if we have the big jumps, I will never get in. Even I missed the winning, like 50% up, I will never take it because I'm a bit late. So the better safe than sorry, and never be greedy. When you see something jumping, never buy it, because here we hunt before the price will jump. So this is the best idea, is even you see it jump, we wait to take the price, this lowest price where the smart money will buy at. It's around the support that will before is the resistance around the $1.29. So yeah, the incentive for the market, if we just even hold this level and we see at least the price go up the $1.25, this will take us $1.30. Then we test this and we have to close above it in order to tell you the price will go even higher for the next week. And the bad scenario, we don't want to see any price go below the $1.20. This is more. Before I told you we want to hold the $1.11, but this is more incentive. If we go back again, there is a big chance that we're gonna break the $1.11. And as I said before, if we have a closing candle below $1.11 closing candle, like a lot of you ask me here, let me read some of your comments. As Omar said, he asking about when the right time to buy, and is there a way to confirm that 1.11 will not be broken without crossing? Yeah, so this is really important, because now I see from your question, Omar, that you kind of feel FOMO if you didn't bought at $1.11, and you wonder if we gonna go to $1.29 before we test again. The question that you ask, it was, look with me, it was at we did it at 13th of May pre-market, so the price was here. It was at $1.29.23, and you told me that's how you know the price will go even below to $1.11, so you buy back. So the best answer for this question, you wait until the price go around this area. You see, we didn't go to $1.11, but what you want to do, never buy everything, but when we go to $1.14, $1.11, $1.15, around this area, you see, you buy at least 10%, 20%, and see what the price did. We jumped until the $1.26. So take your profit even below our resistance. Don't be greedy. This is how the market maker do. They just sell before even the resistance. So take this trade. So you buy here and you sell here. This is 10% in just one day. But be careful, because from your question I can see you are FOMO. You saw the price went to our support and you missed the opportunity because you don't see my last video maybe when I told you the price will go to $1.11. So you cut the price when it went to $1.23 and you asked me if how you know the price will go down. You never know, but we have the probability. So the probability, if you want to lower your risk, never buy everything at one price, because if we go at $1.11 and we break it, you'll be scared because you put all your money, and what's happened when it has happened, you sell at $1.11, then the price go up again and you did the loss, and you take the loss, and before you know it you lost the trade. So the best thing for fixing your FOMOing problem is never buy everything. Even at the support, never buy everything. There's a probability something will go wrong. So always have money. Cash is the king. So to average down at the other prices that I'm showing you guys, if we go even lower, as I told you here at 0.88 or 0.890, so you'll be ready to buy at the lower prices, and you have money to put. Don't put your money in one basket, guys. This is what I'm trying to do. If you want to fix the FOMO, just put 10%, 20%, and you take the trade and you sell before the resistance. Hopefully this answer your question, Omar. And as I told you guys, if you have any question, I'll be more happy to answer you. Just comment below and blast the like button, and check my Patreon if you want one-on-one coaching, or a Discord channel so we discuss the prices, pre-market, after-market, and if you want even again analysis for your favorite stock, where you buy, where you sell, if you want to put trailing stop, everything, the strategy behind it, everything. So check my Patreon in comment section below, and see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you have a nice weekend. See you guys.